Hey guys, how's it going? I'm just doing this little voiceover video thing. I'll throw up some random pictures of my car just to give you guys a visual. But basically, just want to let you know if you a post I made on YouTube uh, a few days ago. I just don't have any motivation or drive or anything to even like touch the car. Um, I don't even want to wash it, honestly, and even driving it now is getting kind of annoying. Um, that's probably why, you guys haven't seen a video in 3 weeks now, which is, I think, the longest I've ever gone without a video. But, yeah, I just don't want to work on the car. Yeah, that's all I can say. Just no drive, no motivation. I honestly have enough parts right now, and even still have a few more parts on the way that I ordered a while ago, to probably do a video every day for a couple months, honestly. Parts to install and other little things I was gonna do. But like I said, I just don't want to do it. Don't want to touch the car, work on the car, anything. And then like I said, driving it now is even getting kind of annoying. I don't know. So didn't want to leave any of you guys hanging. Let you know what's going on. I don't know when I'll upload a video. Um, but yeah. Um, if you guys have any comments, if you want to talk or something, go ahead and write them down below, and I will talk to you guys then. Later.